Good morning. Thank you for joining me. If you're watching this video, you are most likely a parent who is going through a custody or divorce proceeding, and you and your ex have been asked to put together a parenting plan. This video does not constitute legal advice. Consult your attorney if you have any questions. So, what is a parenting plan? A parenting plan is a written document that determines when each parent's parenting time starts and ends. Once the plan is written, you and your ex can deviate from it as long as you both agree. You should always try to be flexible and work things out with your ex. The parenting plan is the fallback for when you don't agree. This leads us to our next question, which is, what is parenting time? Your parenting time is the time of the day that you are the parent who is responsible for your kids. Just because it is your parenting time does not mean you have to be physically with your kids. It is very common for kids to spend time at daycare or with other family members. Only the parents themselves get parenting time. Daycare providers and grandparents do not get parenting time, even though they may watch the children during either parent's parenting time. When it comes to parenting time, there are three different kinds. There is normal parenting time, holiday parenting time, and vacation parenting time. Let's talk about normal parenting time first. Normal parenting time is what you do most of the time. For example, Dad shall have the kids from Sunday at 8 a.m. till Wednesday at 3 p.m. when he shall transport the children to school or their mother's house when school is not in session. Mom shall have the kids from Wednesday at 3 p.m. till Sunday at 8 a.m. when she shall transport the children to their father's house. When we look at this on a calendar, we see that Dad's parenting time starts on Sunday at 8 and runs till Wednesday at 3, and Mom's parenting time runs from Wednesday at 3 till Sunday at 8. When you are deciding on your normal parenting time, you may want to have one schedule that you follow all year, or you may choose to have one schedule for the school year and another for the summer. Next, we're going to talk about holiday parenting time. Holiday parenting time creates exceptions to the normal parenting time. This is what happens on special holidays such as New Year's, Easter, and the 4th of July. Holidays can be any special days that you and your ex agree to as part of the parenting plan, such as federal holidays, birthdays, religious dates, sporting events, school events. You can even invent your own. The key is that a holiday must be agreed upon in advance as part of the parenting plan. Let's take a look at a few examples. The Mother's Day holiday shall start on the second Sunday in May at 8 a.m. and shall end on the second Sunday in May at 10 p.m. The mother shall always have the children on Mother's Day. In this example, Mother's Day lasts for part of a day, and the mother always has the children. This doesn't always have to be the case, though. Let's look at another example. The 4th of July holiday shall start on July 3 at 3 p.m. and shall end on July 5 at 3 p.m. The mother shall have the children in even years, and the father shall have the children in odd years. You'll notice that in this example, the 4th of July starts the day before and ends the day after. It also alternates every year. Let's take a look at how the 4th of July holiday would interact with our normal parenting time. You'll see that we're looking at our normal parenting time for July of 2018. When we add the 4th of July holiday, it takes priority over some of Dad's parenting time. Since 2018 is an even year, the mother has the kids. Let's take a look at how 2019 plays out. In 2019, the father has the kids for the 4th of July, and this time, the holiday is taking priority over some of Mother's time. When you are thinking about holidays, remember that holidays can last for part of a day or longer than a day, whatever you and your ex decide. It is usually a good idea to try to align times around school or other activities. Think about how holidays work with your regular parenting time. Should it start in the morning of, the evening before, or the Friday before the holiday when the kids get out of school? Should it end on the evening of the holiday or the school day following the holiday? Now let's talk about the last type of parenting time. Vacation parenting time is special parenting time that is usually used for trips and other special activities throughout the year. Parents usually have a bank of 10 to 20 days that they can use at almost any time. Parents usually must notify each other at least 30 days in advance that they are using vacation time. Vacation time cannot interrupt holiday time, and vacation time must usually be used in blocks of at least 3 days. Now for an example. Starting on January 1 of each year, each parent shall receive a bank of 20 vacation days. Vacation days must be used in blocks of at least 3 days, but no more than 10 days. Vacation days start at 8 a.m. on the first day of the vacation and end at 8 a.m. on the day following the last day of vacation. In the event of a conflict between two parents' vacation parenting time, the parent who notified the other parent first shall take priority. Vacation parenting time may not interrupt holiday parenting time without the consent of both parents. Let's see how vacation parenting time might work in July of 2019. In July of 2019, either parent can take vacation parenting time at any point of the month except during the 4th of July holiday. In this case, the mother is choosing to use 4 vacation days starting on Sunday at 8 a.m. The mother's parenting time would normally end on Thursday at 8 a.m. However, you'll notice that it is actually ending on Wednesday at 3 p.m. Why is it ending early? Because the 4th of July starts on Wednesday at 3 p.m. and it cannot be interrupted by a vacation. In summary, we've talked about the 3 different kinds of parenting times. Holiday parenting time are dates agreed to in advance that override all other plans. Vacation parenting time are days that one parent uses that override normal parenting time. Normal parenting time is what you do most of the time. As always, this video does not constitute legal advice. If you have any questions, please consult your attorney. Thank you.